Okay, here we have the solve the equation, and what we have 1/2 y equals to minus 3/4 y minus 40. Okay, how do we do that? Well, basically we have to move all terms which have variables to the left side, and we are going to move this thing right here to the left side. Okay, so how do we do that? Essentially we add 3/4 y. We're going to add to the left side and going to add 3/4 y to the right side. So we add that. Why can we do that? Because when we are adding the same number, the same amount to both sides, essentially we don't change anything in our equation. Okay. So, and after adding that, what we're going to have, 3/4 y plus 1/2 y is going to be equal to what? Here and here it cancels out, and it's going to be just minus 40 on the right side. Okay, so that's what we are going to have. Okay, next one. These are pretty much like terms, right? Apples to apples. Here we have y, the same power, and here it's y and to the first power. So we can add these things. The only problem which we have that here we have a fraction and another fraction, and denominators in these fractions are different. So we've got to have the same denominators in the fraction, so we could add that. So 1/2, okay, we can multiply by 2/2. Okay, it's going to be 2/4. So basically 1/2 is equal to 2/4. It's the same, right? So we can rewrite that fraction as 3/4 y plus 2/4 y is going to be equal to minus 40. Okay, so why? Because 1/2 it's the same as 2/4. It's absolutely the same, right? No difference. Okay, so since we have the same denominators here and there, so we can add these two fractions. Basically it's going to be 3 plus 2/4, okay, and it's multiplied by y, and it's going to be minus 40, right? That's what we have. Okay, the next one, so in this case 3 plus 2 is going to be 5/4 y, and it's going to be equal to minus 40. Okay. All right, so now we have to get rid of 5/4. We don't want it to have it here, so we just need y. Okay, so how about multiplying everything by 4/5? Okay, so we can do that. So in this case, what we're going to have 5/4 and multiplying by 4/5 is going to be 4/5 y is equal to minus 40 multiplied by 4/5. Okay, so when we are multiplying, both sides of an equation by the same number, nothing is changing actually, right? So we can do that. And in this case, it cancels out. 5 is going to be canceled out, and 4 is going to be canceled out, and it's going to be y, and it's going to be equal to minus 40 multiplied by 4/5. Okay, so minus 40 multiplied by 4/5. Basically, how can we do that? So 40 divided by 5 is going to be 8, right? So we can divide, and it's going to be minus 8. And basically what we're going to have is y is equal to minus 8 multiplied by 4, okay? And so y is going to be equal to minus 32. So that's the answer to this equation.